Hey, this is Stu. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a bottom load window tint on the first generation of these Lexus GX460. These ran from 2010 all the way up to 2023. I'll show you all the tools as well as all the steps on how to get that done. Okay, so let's go into the removal of this sweep on this vehicle. Now, this little piece in the corner here, this usually just has 2 tabs. I'm just going to go ahead and pry back on that. You can see there's 2 blue clips here. Just remove that, and I'm going to open this little cover here, which is going to show us a screw right behind there. Go ahead and just take that off. From here, I can go to the side of my panel here, wedge my tool in there, just twist it, and then there's going to be one more here. Get my fingers behind and get this seal out the way. And now I can go ahead and bottom load. So let's get into this bottom loading. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to clean my glass, put a little bit of slip on here, and go ahead and scrub this nice and clean. As always, my top is usually my dirtiest, so I do want to run my finger on there once or twice. Let me go ahead and just sweep them one side to the next. I'm going to roll my window up and continue doing so. I'm going to use plenty of slip here and get it all over my glass. On the bottom load, you definitely want a good amount of slip, or at least a slip that has a lot of slip to it. If it's dry here, it's going to be trouble. So we're going to go ahead and use a little bit more slip, as well as flush out each side. From here, I can come to the outside, and this time I can actually remove the entire liner off. Once I get this all removed, we're going to go ahead and put plenty of slip across the entire glass. And the way I'm going to transfer this, I'm actually going to wet my fingers in, making sure that I don't leave any imprints. Just grab very gently on one side and go ahead and cradle the rest. And let's bring that to the inside. And when I'm over here, I'm going to start with this far side over here. We're going to go at about a 30-degree angle, so we're going down with it. And as I do that, I'm going to run my left hand across the glass, just that the film does not go away from me. If you notice here, I'm going to try to just clear my right side and get it to fall behind the gasket here. Once I got that going on, I'm going to keep going down. I'm not going to roll this top edge that's dangling over my hand until I've cleared the top of the glass. And the reason I do that is I don't want this film to touch the top, even though we cleaned it, yes, but we never trust it. And because window tinting is all about precision, we're not going to take that risk. I'm going to go ahead and just position my film how I want it, making sure that I have no gaps on either side and that I have a uniform gap across the top. Once I like it, I'm going to just go ahead and gently squeegee the water out using my soft squeegee. So we are extracting, but we're not quite locking it into place quite yet. We're actually just removing water so that I can better see what I had going on. Use my easy reach. From here, if I like my fitment, go ahead and take my Blue Max, and I'm going to bring a little bit more pressure this time, and go ahead and lock that film in place. Now once I'm here, I'm going to just clean my glass a little bit, especially on the outside because I want to see my film. From here, Once all of that is done, let's go ahead and roll the window all the way up. Now, I don't have much to do over here, okay? I have this, but remember, I don't have a sweep on the bottom anymore. So I can actually just take my squeegee and just squeegee that water out from behind the film, and that allows the glue to grab. Now, because I have a little bit of a door card issue here, I'm just going to use my Easy Reach and make sure I get all that water extracted from behind there. So that's how you do a bottom load on a first gen GX460. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments below.